Though we were prepared, that event was significant and in many ways overwhelmed the response capacity that we had at that time.
10 years ago, a disaster of great proportions changed the lives of thousands of Calgarians. Heavy rainfall triggered disastrous flooding in June 19th. The water of the Bow and the Elbow River raised, flooding the downtown area, thousands of business and homes. A day most will never forget, like disaster social scientist Timothy Haney and his wife, who were expecting their first son at the time.
I was really just hoping that we would hang on for a couple more days, because we'd heard that so many of the roads around Calgary were closed, that portions of 16th were closed, portions of Glenmore were closed, portions of Deerfoot were closed, and that was kind of stressing us out, especially because we had planned that our son was going to be born at the birth center on 16th Avenue.
But their plans had to change because of the flooding and road closures, giving birth at their home.
So yeah, our son Evan was born June 23rd during the flood and is now about to turn 10 years old.
Timothy has spent the last 10 years working on a large multi-year project funded by the Social Sciences and Humanities Research Council of Canada to study Calgarians' responses to recovery from experience in the 2013 flood.
Help bring them back together as a community and so on, because it was these situations of need, leaning on one another for support, that was really crucial for them. So that was an interesting finding, right? That it can actually strengthen communities, not just break apart communities.
With a clear understanding of this tragic event, several measures have been taken since to prevent something like that happens again.
Since 2013, work has been happening not only at the municipal level, but at the provincial level and with other partners, including partners in the hydropower industry, the irrigation industry, all across the water management industries that collectively manage the water resources in Alberta.
Recently, the downtown Calgary flood barrier was completed, extending the flood protection, which runs all the way from the Peace Bridge in the Alter Plaza all the way down to Reconciliation Bridge at Edmonton Trail.
I'm very pleased to be able to share that with Calgarians, that important statistic around more than half, 55% of the risk having been eliminated today, and within a couple years bringing that up to 71%.
In Calgary, Silvia Naranjo, City News.